Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to unbox the electric toothbrush which I did order, friends. So this is from the Flipkart which I ordered. So it is a electric toothbrush name, so which is called Agro Cosmic Plus Sonic, as you can see here. So the price is about 1700 rupees, as you can see, friends. And we do get the 5 toothbrush nibs on the top, as you can see, 5, and which has got very good specifications and very powerful as well. And not only that, you do get one of the advantage which is for cleaning. As you can see, there is another special nib which is available for cleaning the roots, as you can see here. So let's see, friends, in the unboxing experience, what are the things we do get in the box and everything. I'll try to show you right now. And if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru. So from now I'll be covering different gadgets which are available in the Flipkart and the Amazon as well. So all the links will be available in the description below, friends, in case if you're planning to buy one of this product. As you can see, friends, we do get the 1 year of warranty, and which is rechargeable as well. The only thing is that the rechargeable pin is not type C or micro USB. So this another normal pin, so which you need to use only this cable. So let me need to open the box. On the back side, you can see, friends, this what it returns, 40,000 strokes per minute. So usually we'll see around 15,000 and 20,000. So if you compare with the Realme's electric toothbrush. So as you can see, these are the few things. And let me try to open the box quickly. And these are the box contents inside available, as you can see, friends. So which is neatly packed. I did like this kind of case which is available for this toothbrush, as you can see here. So this is a case you're getting, as you can see, friends. So which is perfect. Even it's not that too heavy, I would say, definitely. So maybe close to 100 grams or 150 grams, I think so. So this is the one brush we got inside this box, and along with that we do have the 4 extra nibs, as you can see. So extra brush. Let me try to show you the size of each brush. So what is the actual size, so you know exactly it's small or it's big one. So it's kind of a little bit small, as you can see, friends, a slightly small one. So it is the actual toothbrush. Just you need to fit in and just press once and it will on, as you can see, friends. And right now I do have the power in this. The only thing is that you won't be able to see, I think, how much battery percentage we are having in this toothbrush. So that is the one drawback. And this is the cable which I'm talking about. So this is a pin which has USB, and this pin goes to underneath of this toothbrush, as you can see, in this way. So you'll be able to charge with the power banks as well. This portable Bluetooth toothbrush. So this is not the Bluetooth, sorry. So portable toothbrush, so you can actually charge with the power bank as well. And this is another extra nib which is available for the pressure, as you can see. This is what will clean a little bit kind of under the cavities. So this is quite helpful as well. So these are the complete unboxing experience, friends. I'll try to keep you posted how I'm going with this one. So maybe after 1 week I'll let you know my experience of using this electric toothbrush as well. So make sure to comment below what are your thoughts about this, and do let me in the comments, friends. If you are interested to know this kind of new gadgets, definitely I'll do my best to cover the videos on this topic. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.